Ceceni ino niyo ya mbere kuhingurwo tauni-ini ya Kiambu na kuringana na mũmbunge wa Kiambu Maciũa wa Ithaka arendekithia ceceni ta ici kuhingurwo matura-ini.
Dumberi ward has set the pace, but Kiambu constituency has forward Dumberi, Riabai, Ting'ang'a and Kiambu. To fully realize the President's vision in the bottom-up transformation agenda, we humbly request the ministry's support to roll out similar hubs in Riabai ward, Ting'ang'a ward. There is a massive demand and our youth are hungry for skills, opportunities and digital livelihoods.
Konza Technology City na ruhonge rwa ICT bururi-ini makiranira kugathika mashini cia kiriu na kuongerera menyugi iri na hinya na iri na ihenya niguo andu anyinyi aria merutire guthoma na guthukuma nenda-ini makaga kugirika.
Tutawasaidia kabisa mpaka tuhakikishe that our young people are able to get benefit from the digital work opportunities.
And I'm proud to say I have already been paid the work that I have done, and we are still waiting for more tasks to be sent.
The infrastructure here, I could come there and use the computers at the beginning. I'm looking forward to register my business officially and to work with many clients. And
those digital jobs are there. Kindly forward them to the hub. All these graduates are prepared to do a lot. They can do web design, they can do the data entry, they can do a lot.
CS wa ICT William Kabogo akiuga Mĩnĩsta a thirikari matiagĩrĩirwo nĩ kũgirĩrĩrio kũhuhĩra thirikari coro na gũtamburukia ciĩko njega iria thirikari ĩkĩire a Kenya matũra-inĩ.
Wapatia ni ya kujiajiri nyinyi wenyewe. Mheshimiwa Rais amepeana kompyuta zaidi ya 200,000 ndani ya Kenya in the last 2 years. Makofi jameni.
Ũhingũri-inĩ wa ceceni ĩno niho Kabogo ahũthĩrĩte gũtarĩria maingĩ marĩa thirikari ĩbangĩire aikari a Kiambu na kwanĩrĩra itanya rĩake rĩa kĩũteti.
Juzi nimeona mtandaoni mumeanza kuulizana ni nani atakuwa spokesman wa Mlima. Tunaelewana? Uhuru Kenyatta alifanya kazi yake na akastaafu. Nĩguo kana tiguo? Murenda tukamũria njĩra? Niĩ ndiganĩte. Nĩmũkũndũmanga mwarĩrĩrie. Ũngĩaragia na Kenya. Tuwache kupotezwa jamii. Sisi hatuwezi fata mtu ambaye hana mwelekeo.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.